This is a little tutorial to show the setup and value of using short URLs, and the tutorial assumes that you have already set up your Google accounts. There is a tutorial that will show you how to do that if you've not done so. So you come to the toolbar on the top, click on Short URLs. In order to use the URL shortener, you need to have either or both the Firebase Short URL API key and or the M566 Info Shorties API key. And there is a tutorial showing how to set up your API keys. In the API module, you will select whether you want to use Firebase Short URLs or use M566 Info Short URLs. And then you go to URL shortener. And you come to this screen and you want to select the email address associated with your project and enter a keyword. You can decide how many links you want to create, and in the top here you're going to paste the URLs. Now you can paste just one link. Alright, here's a one tab link. So we'll just paste the link in there, and using the short URLs is useful for, like, if you see a link like this, it's long, it's messy looking, so you can shorten this link here to use it anywhere in social media or posts on your blog or website or in email. And you want to put a link description here. Okay, and we'll do just one and then click run. And here is our nice little wee link that we can use anywhere. So we take that long one, paste it into a browser, and here's what it brings back. Let's go to here, copy, take it to a browser, brings back the same results. So it works. So we'll go back here. Here's a big long list of YouTube videos. So I can copy this. Okay, clear all, take that out. And here is my list of YouTube videos. Okay, so this is a list of the tutorials for Ranking Factory software. And I can put the description over here, and if for any reason I need more than one of each of these links, you can set it for as many as you wish and then click on Run. So I've set it to create 5 of each of the links. So the first 5 will be for the first link, second 5 for the next, etc. Not quite sure what I would do with all of these, but I guess it depends on what your project is. So I've got 40 links here. So we are also able to translate this information. I guess it's, if you have more link description over here, you can translate, and that has more SEO value. So we pick the language that we want to translate to, and it's one at a time, and then click on Go. Okay, I didn't pay attention. Over here is the Spanish translation, and we can select all and send to Sheets and put your keyword, set the keywords as anchor text, and I can open Uploaded and click on Upload, and here is my text uploaded, my links uploaded to Sheets. Go back to URL shortener. Let's see, we'll click on YouTube variants. Here are the YouTube variants for all of these links here. So lots of stuff to play around with. You can translate into any of these languages over here, and there's not really any place you can't use these links. So that wraps up this tutorial.